Okay, so for this time around, we're going to look at one of my favorite features in the sources panel. It's called Snippets. All right, let's start with a quick review of what we did on the console before. We actually selected all of the paragraph tags, and then we ran this little for loop that changes them to, before it was cornflower blue, but this time I'm going with blanched almond. So there we go. It's changed all these to that beautiful blanched almond. So let's say we want to save this and use it in the future. We can use a really awesome feature of the Sources tab called Snippets. So if I click that little Snippets item, let me make this a little larger. I can say New Snippet, and you can see I already have a couple of these that I was working with. And I can say Make blanched almond, right? And I name that. And then I can grab this code down here in the console, add a semicolon there, grab this one, paste that up there. So this is what I call the console on crack, because basically you can run like a much longer set of commands here than you could on the console. So let's save this. I'm just doing a Command S, and let's reboot the page. And then I can right click on this snippet and click Run. And it's actually run that and change this all to blanched almonds. So for all your blanched almond needs, you can use the Snippets panel to make that happen. And you can really run a lot of different commands here. It's great for if you're just a beginner. You can just play around with typing in some code and running it. So there you go. That's the Snippets panel. And I have to tell you, I use that thing all the time at work. So get to know it and get to love it.